There we go. We got this. It's pretty heavy, so let's open it. Let's see what we have. Alright, I've opened it. That's all we got. It's pretty nice. We got some tools to set up right there, so you don't have to prepare some tools. Right, we'll just start to. Oh, by the way, instruction tells you how to assemble this. Pretty cool. It's pretty quick from the instructions. I've got a head part and the part and the middle one right here. And I have to check it out the instruction. Let me see. The rest part we need to do is just basically connect those stuff together. So, right, let's get it done. Now we have the body, head and tail. The rest of the part. Oh man, I like this bed frame. Look at this. It's pretty high down here, a lot of space, so I can put things into there. That's pretty nice. Look at this. This height, I can put a lot of things like that. In and out, put everywhere. Not bad. And that's the rest of the part. So, last thing I need to do is just basically insert this into that. Alright, let's get it done. Okay, man, I finished it. Nice. Whew. Pretty cool. Whew. Let me see how long it take. Less than 1 hour. 47 minutes. I done all the part. Cool.